Howdy folks, it is James at Rexem, that's rexem.com.au, and welcome to the first in hopefully a series of videos talking to you about, the direction of the company, things we're doing, and just engaging with you in a way that I think is a bit better than sending electronic newsletters, because they're kind of time consuming and I don't know who reads them and I don't get any bloody feedback. So I figured this is a much better way to put a face to the name, and you guys get to, ask questions about, what we're doing and why we're doing it, and keep you informed in sort of what's next. So before we go too far, I just want to keep you interested in this video by telling you that we're going to talk about some really important 6.5 stuff, some future calibers coming, and some really cool, interesting direction of the company, plus some merchandise that is going to help us get over the line financially. So stay tuned, because the 6.5s are here. I want to talk about it. Okay, cool. All right, guys, so I just want to say before we go too far too that, it is raining. I picked a terrible night to do this. It's a massive storm outside and it's loud on the mic. I'm sorry, but hopefully the next one will have better audio. Now, moving forward, guys, when I started this company 18 months ago, it was a basic product and I just wanted something Australian made, and I would send my boxes of bullets out in a Coles Ziploc bag, and you guys would be like, what the shit is this? And I'm like, but they're really good, just shoot them. And you'd be like, oh my God, these are really good. I'm like, I know. And it was really cool. And then we got different weights and then started taking first, second, and third within F-Class Open with the new VLDs and all sorts of stuff. And it was like super, just kept me going and motivated. And now, I support local businesses down the road, but, they make the bottles and the chemicals and everything. The tooling and machining guy is like fantastic. I'm just really excited about being, supporting other satellite companies and therefore families like mine. Like, I'm a single dad with twin 4-year-olds. Like, this is really important to me. So, again, sorry about the noise from the storm. Anyway, that's all because of you. And let's keep it going. Okay, so without messing around too much, I'm still learning this software. It's brand new and I'm kind of a bit nervous, but let's talk about automation first. Okay, so guys, we have been talking to an Australian company who look really, really keen to help us out, and we are now sort of in talks about automating our entire process. They're a great little company with an excellent portfolio, and we think we can get over the line there financially. If not, we might do a call to arms with some back orders just to get our big toe over the line, but I think we're going to be okay. And that's huge news for us. We're really excited. So fingers crossed for us. Keep supporting us and get onto the 6.5s when they come out. That will certainly just every bit helps, okay? We're nearly there. Let's just, stay the course. So thank you again. That's all again on you. All right, 6.5s, this is what you all probably want to hear about. Guys, they're here. We're making them right now. They are going to be available this week, okay? We're going to do it on a back order system where, everything we have in stock will be available, and as you guys just buy the back orders, we'll just go down on the list and make them as we go. We're going to ask people to please not try to purchase more than 100 or 200 at this stage at a time, because we've got fair amount here, but there's a big shipment coming from the manufacturer to the supplier and then to us, and between the manufacturer and supplier there's a little bit of a hang up, but I've been told no more than 2 or 3 weeks. So, but they are coming. They've been ordered and been made. It's just got to get boxed up and shipped out. So that way everyone can get some, everyone can shoot some. You can do some load development. You can go get a deer during the roar. You'll have enough ammo for that. But, let's all work together and, we're in this together, not the communist type that the government's saying, but, the type where we're all shooters and we all want to help each other out. Okay? Cool. That would be awesome. And if you're wondering how they perform on game too, guys, check this out. So this is a shout out to a guy named Travis who did a ballistics gel test on the 6.5, and it absolutely just destroyed the thing and still had some pretty good weight retention at the end of it with, very destructive performance. They've got incredible accuracy as well. So I think these are going to be a really, really good varmint/game bullet and a great target bullet up to reasonable ranges. They're 130 grains, but, they perform incredibly well. So get into them, you know. And again, thanks to Travis for sending that to us. That's also on our Facebook page. He's got a video of him holding up the excellently expanded slug. It was just fantastic. Okay, so the next thing is the 308 VLD. Okay, I'm trying to keep this moving so you guys don't get bored. Like, let me know if these are too long. I'll, you know, do something else. Okay, cool. So 308 VLD. It's going to be our next caliber as soon as we get through where we're at and get the automation going, because the 308 is available now with everything and the 6mm isn't. I'm really sorry that the 6mm is taking such a long time. It was back ordered back in March. There's not really a lot we can do about it, but we have approached a company here who can manufacture them and are willing to invest in us if we kind of prove ourselves over the next sort of 9 months with our automation and you know where we go, and then they will invest in their own technology to do it, which means everything will be made in Australia. And I'm really hoping that that happens. But again, that sort of relies on you guys to help us out, you know, like keep buying our product and you know, keep putting the word out there. I know we've been slow, but a lot of our gear is with the engineers at the moment. So our capacity to actually manufacture, I'm taking a bit of a hit, but it's just reduced a little bit. So in the meantime, merchandise. So guys, in the meantime, I'm going to release some shirts, some hats, or some, you know, stuff that will just help. So I'm thinking, you know, and I want your feedback on this. I'm thinking like a collared long sleeve shirt with some like camo pattern with like a logo here and maybe one on the back, or, you know, maybe Rexem down the arm as part of an integrated camo thing. Just got to find the right vendors. I'm going to probably play with that tonight. But again, I need some feedback below and we'll go from there. Anyway, guys, this is my first video. I'll come back and chat about calibers and Ackleys and all sorts of cool reloading stuff and tell you about what's happening with the business quite regularly. Try to build a bit of like a YouTube / following on Facebook. And, you know, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Give you something to do on like a rainy Thursday night, is just watch, you know, Jimbo talk about a whole bunch of crap that probably is just a poor opinion of some shit. Like, okay, cool. Anyway, guys, thanks again so much. Really appreciate it. And yeah, look forward to the live release of those 6.5s. I'll probably do a live video to release it and see how many we sell in a night or something. We'll see how we go. All right, guys. Thank you very much once again, and I will talk to you shortly. Okay, bye. And give me some feedback on this too, if you liked it or not. That'd be great. Okay, bye.